everybody, this is Christy. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to have a little bit of story time, and I'm doing my video this way today because I got a pallet and I got it a week and a half ago, and I'm trying to get time to get in here to show you everything that I got, but I have been very busy and I am filthy dirty right now because I have spent the last few hours helping my husband and my brother-in-law mend fences. So I am not camera suitable at the moment. But, so I bought 2 pallets about a week and a half ago, and I paid $367 total. That was buyer's fee, everything. Let's see, buyer's fee, taxes, all that. And so everything was $367. It was 2 pallets, home goods, mixed, general merchandise, things like that. Now, I planned on using my husband's pickup truck to go get both pallets, but his truck ended up breaking down the day before, and I ended up having to rent a 9-foot van to go get everything. And so I had to unload everything from the pallets into the van, bring it here to my storage unit, unpack everything, and then take the van back. So I didn't have time to make a video the day that I bought the pallets. And so, without further ado, I guess I will get in here and start just showing you everything that I got in those 2 pallets. So, uno numero 1, I got all of these stacks of notebooks. I don't know if I can donate these or not. If my kids' schools will take these, I will probably donate most of these to the schools because I can't really sell them. And there's really, I mean, for what, 50 cents a piece? I could, but then, I could maybe put them on Marketplace, but I'm not that worried about it. I got this fanny pack. It is that there, everywhere belt bag. Yeah, so I haven't even looked up this yet. I have no idea. I have a brand in there. Sorry guys for the bad camera view. Oh, actually can you all see that? It's Lululemon. So yeah, I didn't even notice that until just now. So it's an everywhere Lululemon belt bag. So I will be taking that with me tonight and selling that. And then I got another, like a purse. Sorry guys, I know this is really bad. I got a purse, another kind of a belt bag. I'll have to take it out of here and see what brand that is. Let's see, is that another Lululemon? No. So all this other stuff are things that I've gotten in other pallets that I am still selling. So I got this mannequin in the pallet, and it's got like this nice handle up top. She's a little dirty though, but I'm not sure if I'm going to keep that for myself yet or sell it. Let's see, I got a couple of Paradise Coast medals. So yeah, finalists. I'm not sure if I'll be able to sell those or not. So I got a Home Sweet Home. Full-size down comforter. I'm not sure yet if I'm going to give that to one of my kids. So that's another reason. I bought this pallet because we're going to be moving soon, and there's a lot of home good stuff in here. And I figured if there was any blankets, pillows, things of that nature that we could use, like all these pillows over here came in that pallet. I have this here, which is a 60-pound weighted belt. Weighted vest for working out. It comes with all of the weights. So it's 60 pounds. It's front and back. I can't even move it. It's 60 pounds. But they're selling at, let's see, Dick's Sporting Goods for $140. So I figure if I could get $100, then cool. And got this rug, which I have no idea what it looks like on the inside. I've tried looking up what this is on the end, but I can't find what the actual rug looks like, what the design is. I got this, which I don't know what this is. I'm thinking that it is some kind of a bed frame, but I'm not sure. So I also had a Lucid mattress. It was a 12-inch gel mattress that was in this spot right here that's empty. And I sold that this morning for $125. And then, I don't know if you can see this. It is a MyPillow 3-inch mattress topper. and I queen size, and I sold that yesterday on eBay for $215 plus $50 shipping, so that will be going out tomorrow. And then this here is something, I'm not sure, it's some kind of a like storage container, and it's got like a keyhole, so I haven't taken that out yet to see the Storix, like storage container, so that's cool. I don't know what that'll be yet. So, and then I got this thing here. I might keep that for myself and put it in my house. I got all these pillows, which I looked at them, I didn't see any name brand, they're not really anything, so we'll just use them at home when we need spare pillows. I got a shoe closet. It holds, I think it's 24 pairs, yep. So, and then I got this big blue thing, which I haven't even opened it up yet. I don't know if it's like a chair. I don't know if it's like a hammock thing. Like, I don't know what this thing is. And so, I will be opening that up here soon and finding that out here once I'm done with this video. And then I got this thing. These are, let's see what it says. Let's see, quantity 2 items made in China. It says light crew, so I haven't had a chance yet to open this up and see what they are, but they're in the boxes, they're sealed. Actually, let's just open them up. Sorry, this is kind of hard to do with one hand, guys. So it's some kind of a light thing. You have to look that up. Look that up. There's 2 of them in here, so we'll see. And then I got these storage containers. They're 30-gallon. They're like the hard plastic containers you put on your porch for store and stuff. I got 3 of those. They're going for $55 on eBay with free shipping. So I'll probably try to sell them locally for like $30. That way I don't have to ship them. Oh, and then I got some things in here that I'm not going to be able to sell. I don't know what I'm going to do with them. But like this thing here has like 250 clear storage, like plastic containers like a restaurant would use for like outgo, you know, for like to-go orders. And then, oh, I got these. These are good. These are, it's a Motorola 6-unit store or charging port thing for, I think, for like walkie-talkies or things like that. There have been a couple of them that sold on eBay for $160 each. So those were a good item. And then down here is the same thing. There's more, let's see, 8 foot by 8 foot, 200, one pet. Yeah, see, these containers. And then this here is a thing of little tiny cups. So, yeah, I don't know if I'll be able to sell those. But like I said, if I can sell this here and this here for $160 each, or even $100 each, is $200. I already sold the My Pillow mattress for $200, sold the other thing for $100 and something. So with me having to rent that unit, that truck van thing, my total out the door was just a little over $500 for everything. This here is like a bag of decorative rocks that were in there. I'm not sure what that was. Oh yeah, here's some more. This here is, let's see. It's like one of those things you, when you go to a restaurant or somewhere and you put your hand under for soap. So it's like for, actually for paper towels. So it's an automatic hand-free paper towel dispenser. I think I can get like about 30 or 40 bucks out of that. This here, oh, this here, if anybody knows what this is the one thing that's in here that I absolutely do not even know. I don't have no clue what this is. So it's a box. It's got 4 of them. It's got this in here. It says Job Hot Melt 1. Those are the numbers on it. I have no idea what this is. I don't know if it's for a 3D printer. I don't know. It's, you know, that was my guess. I don't know if I'm right or not. Oh, and then I got this. This is good. It's an ergonomic desk with a chair. I think it's for a child, if I remember right. Healthy Ergo Study Desk and Chair. It doesn't say it's for kids, but I'm going to guess it's for kids. And then I got this. It's a balance ball for working out. All good, everything in there in the plastic wrap still. And then I got this fold flat aluminum 2-step stool, which I'm actually thinking of giving to my husband because he needs it for working on his pickup truck. And then I got this string shelves 3-pack, black stained ash. I tried looking this up and trying to find a picture. I can find pictures and I can find that brand, but not that exact shelf. And then this here is a cordless faux wood blind. So this is really nice. So I might keep this for myself depending on what the size is and what windows in my house. So I'm going to keep that until I get my house to see if it'll fit in there. And then this here, what was this? Oh, this here, I'm not going to take it out, but it's just a, you know the piece that goes on the front of your washer and dryer, the like plastic piece that tells you like what your thing does? Like, it's for like a GE washer, for like the front plastic piece. And then I have these filters, which I don't think these go for much. A few bucks, not much. So I think that is everything that I got. What is this one? Oh yeah. And then there's this. What is this? Oh, this is a table. It's like a mold, or the marble end table. So I have to look that up. I will take that up out and check it and see if our little pieces are there or what's going on with it. See, that there came in the pallet as well, but I don't know what that is. And then there was another blanket that I brought home already. So that's everything. I will keep doing this. I'm going to try to get some of this stuff listed tomorrow. Tomorrow's my day off. So I plan on coming here first thing tomorrow after I drop my daughter off to school and coming in here, checking everything out fully and putting it up online. Like I said, total out the door. Everything with renting the vehicle, paying for gas, driving an hour away, paying what I paid for it. It was a little over $500 for everything. And I've already made over half of that back by just selling 2 items. So I think this was a good buy. It's a place that does this every single week at my house here in Salt Lake. There's a company that does auctions. They do not ship out anywhere. It all has to be local. You go online, you bid on it, and then you have to pick it up here at Salt Lake. And then everything, they probably have between 300 and 400 auctions every single week. Everything ends on Thursday afternoon, and you can pick it up Thursday and Friday. And that's it. So, I'm glad I was able to make this video for you guys. If you have any more questions, if you have any other videos that you want to see, please do so. Let me know. If there's anything I didn't tell you, I'm kind of rushing through this because I gotta get home and make dinner and do all that still as well tonight. I have somebody meeting me to buy a bunch of pillows from another pallet that I have in the back of my truck behind me. You guys want to see that? So yeah, I'm selling all 5 of those pillows. These came in another pallet that I bought a few months ago. They're firm support Wamsuda pillows. I think that's how you say that. So I'm selling all 5 of these for 50 bucks. So that's doing good there. So we'll figure out what some of this other stuff is, and I will talk to you guys later. Also, please like, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff if you want. Liking the video does really, that's, you don't have to do anything. You don't have to subscribe to me necessarily. If you like the video, if you want to see any more content like this, give me a thumbs up, let me know, and I'll continue to do the best I can to give you videos. I know I'm not the most reliable with giving a bunch of videos. My last one was like 20-something days ago. But I'm doing what I can to just show you what somebody who's doing this super part-time does and can do. And that's what I'm going to keep doing. Sales have stunk for the last couple of weeks. I don't know, I was doing close to 15 to 20 sales a week, and now I'm down to like under 10 for the full week. So hopefully it picks up soon here with fourth quarter. Most of all of this will be going on to Facebook Marketplace, not eBay. A few of the small things will go on eBay, like that Lululemon bag, the other bag, you know, a few odds and ends. Even like this here, I have it listed on Facebook Marketplace. That's 60 plus pounds. I'm not shipping that. Even though I am shipping that My Pillow. But it came in its own box, so that will go that way. Alright guys, I will talk to you guys later. Have a great evening, great week, and I will talk to you guys again when I talk to you. See ya.